good morning, Dubai. This is my time to run. This Dubai run! Yahoo! 2025. And of course, we are now running in this road. Running or jogging? Nag-showdown po na parachute. Nag-showdown. So, look at guys. Ang daming tao. So, kasama ko ang napakagandang pinsan. Yan. Saka ito.
And it looks like our paramotors are coming back along Sheikh Zayed Road, waving the UAE flag, waving the Dubai Fitness flag.
So, feel free to enjoy the moment.
They can hear you, Dubai. Make some noise!
So sabi nga daw Dubai Fun Run. So dapat naka-fan ka. Hindi yung nakasimangot lang. So kanya-kanyang forma, kanya-kanyang pwesto kung saan kayo gusto magpa-picture. Subalit yung iba diretsuhan lang dahil talagang gusto lang ganyan. Okay, look at guys sa aking pakapaligiran.
We are moments away from getting you underway again. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
Dubai Run, we are off! Another spectacular moment here in
Yeah,
Dubai.
spectacular.
The world's largest fun run.
Ang sabi, Dubai Run daw, pero bakit naglakad lang tayo?
Look at that. What a
Naglakad lang, di ba Run?
Your Dubai Run 2025.
Ito kaya, Dubai Run daw pero naglakad dahil na sobrang tao.
Make some noise!
Dubai, you look incredible. We are going to try to shout out as many people as we can. We see your signs. I think that says Thor, maybe. Thor, good morning. Thank you for coming out this morning.
Yeah, good morning. Talagang good ang ating morning dahil this is the first time. Totally the first time, not the second time. First, but the next is second time.
I can't see you, but thank you for coming out this morning.
So this is the moment of the day. Guys, good morning, and welcome to our free road to run, Dubai Run 2025. And of course, wala tayong mic, so yun lang po.